welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com, and in today's video I can finally share with you all a project that I have coming up. For the whole month of September, I'm going to be collaborating with Télio fabrics, and we're going to do this really cool fall transitional type project where each week, so for 4 weeks, I'm going to sew a project that, in my opinion, I think that would be awesome to add to our closet for our fall wardrobe. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the fabrics. They just came in today, and I'm also going to share with you the patterns that I plan to use in case you want to sew along with me. So beginning September 1st, over on the blog, I'm going to begin with sharing some ready-to-wear inspiration for that project of the week, and then I'll go into some fabric options that would be great for it, and then I will end that week with the sew along video so you can sew along with me. That will go on for the whole month of September, and I'm super excited about it. So to get into the fabrics that I'm going to be using, first I'll share with you the pattern, and then I will show you the fabric that I'm going to be using to go with it. So first thing first, I have Simplicity 8701. This is one of their pattern hacking patterns, and it's a really fun pants with lots of different options for pockets. You can have ties, you can lengthen them, shorten them, flare them out. So a lot of fun things that you can do with this. And the fabric that I'm going to be using for this pants is these amazing black denim. This denim feels amazing. It is a 9.5, it's 9.5 ounces. It's black, it feels just fantastic. Down in the description box, I have the numbers and details for you if you want to check it out. But it just feels absolutely amazing. I'm super duper excited about this. So again, this is the denim that I will be using for Simplicity 8701. The next project I feel that will be awesome to transition with fall with is a really fun jacket. So I'm going to be using Simplicity 8700. This is like a utility jacket. It has cargo pockets. You can really have fun and add patches to it if you like. So this is one I'm going to be sewing for the month of September. And for that, I'm going to be using this amazing twill. Like, it's just... this color is fantastic. I absolutely love it. And yes, it's a cargo twill, and I just love it. I think it'll be perfect for this jacket. So using this twill fabric here from Télio, and it's going to be for Simplicity 8700. The next one I have that I think, again, will be fantastic for transitioning will be a classic button-up shirt. And this one is McCall 7575. I don't know exactly which view I'll be doing it. I'll probably go with view B on this pattern. I'm going to be using this amazing fabric right here. I know it's hard to see, but I'll give you a close-up on it. It just feels so good. I'm not even joking, y'all. It's a polyester and a rayon. I think it's going to look really amazing as a button-up shirt, especially with this little kind of window pane check design that it has on it. So we're really excited about that. And again, I'm going to be using this fabric to go with McCall 7575 for a really nice button-up shirt. And the last one that I'm going to be doing for the month of September is going to be McCall 7630, and I'm thinking I'm going to go with view B on this pattern. And the fabric I'm going to be using is this amazing everything's amazing, but how fabulous is this print? I think it's so fun, it's so cute and perfect for fall. And this fabric is a rayon, so really excited about this fabric. It feels amazing, it drapes beautifully. So yeah, it's gonna be a really nice top. Now if you notice, I tried to go with some fabrics that would kind of coordinate and go well together so I can mix and match them, and I think I achieved that. So I'm really excited. Again, this collaboration is going to start September 1st over on the blog. I'm going to be giving ready-to-wear inspiration, fabric inspiration, and then I will end each week with a video for each of these patterns. So super excited about it. I hope that you all will tune in and join in with me as we sew these and just get excited about it. So again, I'm going to be using McCall 7575, Simplicity 8701, Simplicity 8700, and McCall 7630. So that's all. I really do hope you all enjoyed the fabrics. And again, make sure that you tune in starting September 1st. All right, y'all. Talk to you later. Blessings, everyone. Bye.